Encyclopedia Britannica. Home games and quizzes, history and society, science and tech, biographies, animals and nature, geography and travel, arts and culture, money, videos. Home. Science. Mammals. Hoofed mammals. Animals and nature. Giraffe. Mammal. Also known as giraffe. Written by. Fact-checked by. Article history. Top questions. How tall are giraffes? Where do giraffes live? What do giraffes eat? How long do giraffes live? Are giraffes an endangered species? Summary. Read a brief summary of this topic. Giraffe, genus Giraffe. Any of 4 species in the genus Giraffe of long-necked cud-chewing hoofed mammals of Africa, with long legs and a coat pattern of irregular brown patches on a light background. Giraffes are the tallest of all land animals. Males, bulls, may exceed 5.5 meters, 18 feet, in height, and the tallest females, cows, are about 4.5 meters. Using prehensile tongues almost half a meter long, they are able to browse foliage almost 6 meters from the ground. Giraffes are a common sight in grasslands and open woodlands in East Africa, where they can be seen in reserves such as Tanzania's Serengeti National Park and Kenya's Amboseli National Park. The genus Giraffe is made up of the northern giraffe, G. camelopardalis, the southern giraffe, G. giraffe, the Maasai giraffe, G. tipulskirchi, and the reticulated giraffe, G. reticulata.